Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you a complete review of the Mahindra XUV 700, a premium SUV that has made a grand entry into the Indian market with its modern design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With its luxurious interiors, dynamic engine options, and enhanced safety features, the XUV 700 has become a top choice for SUV lovers. Its 7-seater layout and smart technology make it the perfect SUV for families and long-distance travel. Let's explore its features in detail. Modern and attractive design. The Mahindra XUV 700 comes with a futuristic and aerodynamic design, making it one of the most stylish SUVs on the road. The premium front grille with chrome finish, dual LED headlamps, and dynamic rear tail lamps add to its bold and striking appeal. The 17-inch and 18-inch alloy wheels provide excellent ground clearance, making it ideal for city and highway driving. Key design highlights: heavy checkmark premium chrome finish front grille, heavy checkmark dual LED headlamps with DRLs, heavy checkmark stylish 17-inch and 18-inch alloy wheels, heavy checkmark aerodynamic and sporty body design, heavy checkmark aggressive and powerful stance, powerful engine and outstanding performance. The Mahindra XUV 700 is known for its excellent performance with petrol and diesel engine options. The 2.0-liter M-Stallion turbo petrol engine produces 200 bhp and 380 Nm of torque, while the 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine delivers 185 bhp and 450 Nm of torque. Both engines are designed for smooth and powerful driving, whether in the city or on highways. It offers 6-speed manual and 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission options, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Key engine and transmission features: heavy checkmark 2.0L M-Stallion turbo petrol engine, 200 bhp, 380 Nm. Heavy checkmark 2.2L M-Hawk diesel engine, 185 bhp, 450 Nm. Heavy checkmark 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission. Heavy checkmark advanced all-wheel drive, AWD, option. Heavy checkmark micro-hybrid technology for better fuel efficiency. Impressive mileage and fuel efficiency. The Mahindra XUV 700 offers high fuel efficiency, making it perfect for long journeys. The petrol variant delivers a mileage of 12 to 14 km/L, while the diesel variant provides 16 to 18 km/L. With micro-hybrid technology, it ensures low fuel consumption and reduced carbon emissions. Key mileage features: heavy checkmark petrol variant, 12 to 14 km/L mileage. Heavy checkmark diesel variant, 16 to 18 km/L mileage. Heavy checkmark micro-hybrid technology for fuel efficiency. Heavy checkmark best fuel economy for long-distance travel. Spacious and luxurious cabin. The Mahindra XUV 700 offers a spacious and premium cabin, making it an ideal SUV for families and group travel. The 7-seater layout ensures ample legroom and headroom, providing maximum comfort during long drives. The leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and ventilated seats enhance the luxurious experience. The second row, 60:40 split, and third row, 50:50 split, seats provide a flexible layout for extra cargo space. Key cabin features: heavy checkmark 7-seater layout with ample legroom. Heavy checkmark panoramic sunroof and premium leather upholstery. Heavy checkmark ventilated seats and adjustable headrests. Heavy checkmark 60:40 split second row and 50:50 split third row. Heavy checkmark flexible seating for extra cargo space. Top-class infotainment and connectivity. With its advanced infotainment system and smart connectivity features, the Mahindra XUV 700 offers a high-tech driving experience. The 10.25-inch dual-screen infotainment system, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensures seamless smartphone connectivity. The Adreno X technology, voice commands, and Alexa support further enhance the user experience. Key infotainment features: heavy checkmark 10.25-inch dual-screen infotainment system. Heavy checkmark Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. Heavy checkmark Adreno X connectivity with Alexa support. Heavy checkmark voice commands and Bluetooth connectivity. Heavy checkmark steering mounted controls for easy access. Advanced safety and driver assistance features. The Mahindra XUV 700 prioritizes safety with its top-class safety features and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking system ensure a safer driving experience. With dual front, side, and curtain airbags, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat anchors, the XUV 700 provides maximum protection for passengers. Key safety features: heavy checkmark ADAS, advanced driver assistance system. Heavy checkmark lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. Heavy checkmark emergency braking and blind spot detection. Heavy checkmark dual front, side and curtain airbags. Heavy checkmark ABS with EBD and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Final verdict: should you buy the Mahindra XUV 700? The Mahindra XUV 700 is a premium SUV that offers modern styling, powerful engine options, luxurious interiors, and top-notch safety features. With its 7-seater layout, smart technology, and advanced driving assistance systems, it is a great choice for families, adventure seekers, and long-distance travelers. Whether you need an SUV for daily commutes or long road trips, the XUV 700 stands out as a leader in its segment. Pros: white heavy checkmark old and futuristic design. White heavy checkmark spacious and luxurious interiors. White heavy checkmark powerful petrol and diesel engine options. White heavy checkmark excellent safety and driver assistance features. White heavy checkmark great fuel efficiency and micro-hybrid technology. Cons: crossmark no AWD option in lower variants. Crossmark some features are limited to higher trims. Conclusion: that's our detailed review of the Mahindra XUV 700. XUV 700.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like button.
Comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.